Yeah, you're gonna get out. You're already on 12, so now you're gonna get off of the exit 7A. About to go to brunch with my cousin. Got all dressed up. I literally beat my face today. I didn't like the way it came out. I'm wearing this beautiful scarf from the collection. I am absolutely in love with it. I also got the yellow one. And they feel so airy and lightweight. I'm obsessed. And then my beautiful cousin. I love her scarf too. The printed one. But I'll see you guys at brunch. Bye.
Is this your first time here?
No, my second.
What did you get from that? It sounds
I got
good.
two things at once. Huh? The last time
Everything sounds good.
I'm telling you. Are you?
Here at
Well, I
the
want
vibe.
everything.
Yeah.
I love it. They do.
I tried their French toast.
Their French
really
toast
good.
is good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fun.
And the
Want to go out?
It's on the red.
Give me there. Am I still on?
Here.
I feel like time goes slow when I'm We're dressed all cute.
Lemon
French toast.
pancakes.
It's French toast. Okay.
Lemons are. And yeah, look at it.
I work lunch today.
Yes. So what are we doing after this? So we just
grab coffee.
yeah. We're gonna go to her favorite coffee shop. We just had some really good food. Did you take a picture?
But they might
She'll show you. Oh yeah. Anyways, I went straight in because I was hungry. But yeah, there's other ones that come to us, you know.
We're at the Sun Coffee Shop.
Yeah, it's Asha's favorite. You got Asha? Look at these girls. Wow. What coffee are you getting?
I'm gonna get something that has cinnamon, honey, and vanilla.
She said cinnamon, honey. Chichi, what are you getting?
Whatever is good.
Yeah.
Inshallah. Anything espresso based for me.
Yes.
Isn't it
Oh,
cute?
do we all have white on? I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. Or green.
I like the green that you guys want. I love the fits today. Cute. Got the coffee.
She's like, I couldn't wait.
Cheers. Cheers.
I'm not a chugger too.
Huh?
I'm not a chugger, but
Yeah.
I noticed that my
10
coffee
out of
just
10.
sits out.
Okay.
Okay. This one, it's only sweeter with the sweet cream on top.
Okay.
So I recommend just sipping it. If you want to use straw, make sure you give it a really good
Okay,
taste.
thank you. First time trying community goods, and their matcha is really, really good. Oh my goodness, I get the hype. I get the hype. And then I also tried a little bit of the hot vanilla bean latte. So good. Kind of a gloomy day, but 10 out of 10. So good. I get the hype. This is a very creamy, rich matcha, and I love the sweet cream that it comes with on top. A must try. And also try their vanilla bean latte too. We also got the sliders and added avocado. I heard so many good things about this, so I'm excited to try.
Smart car to a bitch with some small lips. And that if it need make my hip limp. I'm going fishing with these little bitch.